I'm Kristan Worthington. I'm an engineer and I use 3D printing to solve problems related to human health. For example, many older adults experience vision loss because the cells at the back of their eye gradually die and go away. There are a lot of exciting possibilities to replace these cells. However, they're very sensitive. So in order to survive the transplantation process, they really need to be surrounded by some kind of supportive material, almost like a cushioning system. In our lab, we build these cushioning systems using high-resolution 3D printing, and our approach enables us to control the stiffness and the structure in a really powerful way. What's exciting about the technology we're developing is that it enables us to support and protect cells from lots of different parts of the human body and to better understand their behavior in the lab in a more realistic way. Ultimately, these things together bring us one step closer to developing effective treatments for human disease.